than just spoon rest. Because of their size, you get 4 and you get the gift boxes. And with our clearance sale price, each gift is now $5.50 each. Best price we've ever been able to do for you on air. But these are never coming back in stock, and the price expires in 8 minutes. So here's what we have available. We have your gnomes still available. We have 24 if you want the gnomes.
You get 4 of them, right?
4 gift boxes.
And 4 gift boxes.
4 spoon rests.
Look how cute.
And then we also have our Merry Chefs available for you as well. All four gift boxes, $4.40 a month with that monthly payment plan. Now, they are spoon rests, and absolutely rest your spoon there.
Sure.
But because of their size, I can do fruit garnishing for cocktails. I can do cookies. I can do treats because they're not itty bitty teeny tiny little spoon rests.
That's exactly right. I use them as app plates, very honestly. So all the detail that you know and love, the gnome, one of our newest patterns, and we are never making these again. That's what makes them collector pieces. First of all, it's just so darn cute, right? So 4 individual gifts, fantastic. If you keep it for yourself, I love the gift box because it now becomes a storage box. Especially that's important for your, for your seasonal pieces. But this can go into the oven. So if you want to heat things up in here, or the microwave, or the toaster oven, or the air fryer. And then look at this. When you want to tuck them away, look how perfectly they stack. I'll put all 4 together so you can see. This is all you have to store.
Right. It's not a huge, big thing.
No.
I mean, think about especially this time of year, if you're having cookies, you're having a gathering, and you put the cookies on this, and you can warm them up in the oven on that, and now have like, because there's nothing like a warm cookie or cinnamon bun.
100%. I totally agree with you. And then this is so much fun. So the gnomes, you're getting 4 of the same. But if you pick up the Merry Chefs, you get 4 different ones. So look at all the great ideas we had there. But when you look at them, even if you use these for home decor and put them in a bookcase.
Right. They look gorgeous.
They're just all hand-painted and hand-applied accents. So there's our gingerbread man. We call them our Merry Chefs with the hats on and the baking dishes right in front of them. Here's Wimbley, our reindeer, Mr. Bojingles, our snowman, and of course Elf Bertie slipped in here. We don't have a lot of Elf Bertie left in anything.
Oh, wow.
So if you see it, because we're retiring this, definitely pick it up.
I'm going to have to ask around to find out how Elf Bertie got named.
I mean, you know who to ask.
I'm trying to think of who I could ask.
I'm not sure. Might be another host here.
Like maybe Steve Doss, maybe?
Yeah, talk to Steve Doss.
Talk to Steve.
Yes.
Because he might have something to do with it.
He'll point you in the right direction anyway.
He'll point me in the right direction. Let us know which option you like. You get all 4 gift boxes. The gnome is last call. Price expires in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. K83998 is your item number. $5.50 a gift. Now, because we're all friends here, and you may have missed our organizational turntables, we want to give you one last peek before the price expires in the next few minutes here, because you get 2 of